5 Best Electric Coffee Grinders. The item number 5 is eWorld Electric Coffee Spice Grinder Maker. Condition: 100% brand new and high quality. Name: Electric Coffee Spice Grinder. Power: 200 watts. Voltage: 220 volts 50 Hz. Material: ABS machine body plus stainless steel blade. Grinding capacity approx 60 milliliters. Size: 156 by 92. The item number 4 is original manual coffee grinder stainless steel. Brand name: GJ Cotton. Design: housing material stainless steel. Type: Burr grinders, conical power, W, none. Certifications: power source manual. Model number: Coffee 1. Style 1: Home appliances. Style 2: Kitchen appliances. The item number 3 is manual coffee grinder coffee maker ceramics. Brand name: eWorld. Power, W, manual. Power source manual. Type: Burr grinders, conical voltage, V, manual. Model number: E805. Certifications: housing material stainless steel. Unit type: piece. Package weight: 0.3 kilograms, 0.66 pounds. The item number 2 is Lucite 400 watts electric coffee grinder. The coffee grinder is made of quality food-grade plastic and stainless steel blades. Fast, practical and durable. Nice for home coffee making or beans, nuts, spice, herbs grinding. Condition: 100% brand new. Material: plastic shell and stainless steel blades. The item number 1 is manual coffee grinder hand steel ceramics cord. Power, W, manual. Type: Burr grinders, conical. Certification: Roll HS, Air, EMC, EMF, SASO, UL, GES, CSA, CB, LFGB. Model number: CG01. Housing material: stainless steel. Power source manual. Manual coffee grinder, Burr coffee maker. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.